everybody. Today we're going to open surprises. And you can see all the stuff around it. And today is Christmas Eve and we went to my grandma's and we got the present. And this is what out of my stocking was out there. And then I got this and then this. So
Awesome.
Let's get started. And first let's do the shopping.
What is it?
It's way too late.
Yeah, Natalie.
Which shotgun is it gonna be?
I hope it's not a duplicate.
Yeah, because you have a lot of shotguns.
Yeah, I know. That was Zach.
Oh, that wasn't. It was just switching.
Do you like that thing?
No.
What is that? Oh, a dartboard? You can hang that in your room.
Oh, she's hanging on my door.
Well, let's get your door.
No, she
Don't
didn't.
bite it.
One of the things that she
Hold on
didn't
now.
do.
Look at all that stuff.
Don't bite it.
I like that face, honey. Hey, don't be putting trash everywhere. Oh, there's a
You're
little
to clean it up, not me. I'm not cleaning it up.
Uh-huh. You want any Christmas presents?
Can you open this?
This basketball. Look, Mom, look at this. Oh, look, did you look at this basketball? Here, guys, it's a brand new basketball.
Whoa.
Oh, isn't that cool? Actually, Julia
It's a
is
football.
going to use it.
Ow.
Actually, I'm
Because it's
gonna...
going to go on the trampoline.
Whoa, we're going to put it all the way on the top.
Mom.
Oh, yeah.
No, that's
Oh, you don't have that one.
Yeah.
You
It's
can't reach it,
cute.
though.
It's a high heel boot.
Oops. Dropped it.
Let me see it.
Where's it? Oh. Mom.
Why is it not auto-focusing? Oh, there we go. It's so cute. Oh, high heel.
Here. I don't have this one yet either.
Oh, I love that one. Candy
I had the
green apple.
green one, but now I got the pink one.
Awesome.
So let's just set this trash down. And that's the list. Okay, now let's open the blind.
Oh, you're
Okay,
using your
pink.
teeth a lot. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be?
I don't have this one.
What is it? Oh, that one's beautiful. What's that one's name?
Here you go.
Oh, I love it.
No.
It's like a rose. It's called...
Basketball.
It is a rose. Is that
Rose Luck. Rose
Rose
Luck.
cool?
Look, did you like it?
Cool.
That is cool. Oh, cool.
Look, Jen.
Okay.
It's a nice basketball goal.
Okay, Mom.
Oh, Mommy's
Now
crying.
let's move to the RV
Oh, can we open that tomorrow?
today.
Tomorrow.
You got too much to open tomorrow.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I can see the bikes. There we go.
That is so cute. Look at all that stuff that it comes with.
Yeah, this is the back.
Oh, that's what
comes
it
with
looks like.
bikes.
Oh, look, the bikes go on the back of the RV.
Yeah, and it already is on the back.
Here, let Zach open that while you open something else, and then we'll go back to it.
Okay. Here you go, Zach. Can you open that?
No.
He said no. Come on, Mom. Let's open this.
I'm so tired.
Should we do a whole nother video for that one?
No. This one. Oh my gosh. We do have to build this thing.
What?
Yeah.
Look how cute that is. Okay, I'm going to pause it to build it.
Okay.